in the camera. Say it. Say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Say it. Say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, go watch your iPad. Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, it's going to be a collaboration actually. I linked up with another small YouTuber, and she actually has a beauty channel as well, and we met over a Facebook group called YouTube Queens, and so yeah, as I was saying, we met through a group called YouTube Queens on Facebook, and I pretty much put out a post asking if there was anyone interested in doing a collaboration. Obviously a beauty, because I do have a beauty channel. So yeah, I put out that post and she hit me up and said, hey, I'm down. So I had the idea of doing a graphic liner collaboration. Then I realized, hey, Valentine's Day is on its way and you haven't posted not one Valentine's Day look yet. So why not kind of incorporate the two? So last minute I was like, hey, let's incorporate the two. Let's do a Valentine's Day inspired graphic liner look, and let's see what we both come up with. So she was down and here we are. We filmed the look for you guys. So I'm definitely going to leave her stuff in the cards and down below as well. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out her channel as well as the video that we did together. Well, not video that we did together, but the collaboration video. I'll link it down below in the description bar, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. If you guys like to see more fun creative looks like this, or even me doing collaborations with other YouTubers, then let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely keep all those requests and stuff in mind. If you are new to my channel, I should have said this, welcome. Hey, my name is Rose. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before leaving. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Let's get it. Alright, so you guys are very up close and personal. So I did this eye off camera just because I wasn't sure what the heck I was gonna do. But now that I have like the concept and everything, we're gonna get right into it. So my brows are done. I use my Anastasia brow powder in medium brown and soft brown as well. And my lids are primed with the NYX eye base in nude. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm using this CC Beauty. It's like the Makeup Forever Flash Palette dupe. I got this on Amazon. And I'm going to use the pink one as a base for the lid. It's as close as possible because my eye shapes are very different. And I just feel like because my eyebrows are a little different, like this one, I have less hair up here than I do on this one. I don't know, it's weird, like my whole eye shape and everything is different. So we're going to try to get this as close as possible, which I feel like already messed up. Gonna try to stay in frame here. So what I did was I just pretty much did that line there just to get that center part out, and then now we're gonna go like here. Can get a little hard to do, I think I got it. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35C palette. That's it there. This palette is discontinued, but I do believe they brought back the 35B, which has matte and shimmer shades. So, yeah, and then I'm just going to go in with that pink shade here. Just dip my nail. Alright, and I'm just going to use a shader brush, and we're just going to literally pack that shade onto the cream that we used. Now I don't even have to do any blending. Okay, so I'm going to take some tape, stick it on the back of my hand, because we have to do liner. Alright, so let's make sure we get the liner close. Blue, red, and white from the cream paint to make the perfect shade of purple, as you guys can see there. And that I am using for my liner. Couldn't be in frame for this part. I'll just zoom in again. Just because I had to get real up and close here. Alright, so I'm going to use this purple shade here from the palette. And I'm going to use that to set the cream liner that we just did. Alright, so I'm going to use this pink shade here. And we're going to go from this corner all the way in. So that's looking good. Now, the next part, which I feel like is always a tricky part, is cutting that area. I just feel like it's not. And we're going to just outline that area. And okay, and then we have some blue here, and I'm just gonna zoom out so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Ooh, my liners came out nice. Alright, so next is the heart. So we're just going to do it on this side. We're going to take our time doing this because it's very small and tedious, and so now we have our hearts, and next is the rest of the face. I'm just gonna clean under the eye. Just a little bit. Alright, you guys, so I did my lashes off camera just because, yeah, I was not going to be in frame. So I'm using the Dodo lashes in the number D115. So, excuse me. Those are the lashes that I have on. I actually almost forgot to put lashes. But yeah, these are lashes, and this is the final look here. I really love the way this look came out. I had so much fun doing it. Like, look at that glow. Ooh, baby. But I had so much fun doing this look and doing this collaboration with my girl Lindsay. So make sure you guys head over to her channel right now and check out her look. I will leave her wanna sit down? So I will definitely leave her her link to her video in the cards, as well as in the description and down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this book. This book. Shh. Mommy's talking. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And also, let's chat down below. Let me know what you guys thought of this look, and let me know if there's any other looks that you guys would like to see me do. And that's pretty much it for this one, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.